walking.
You see all these plants they have up here? And they're letting them being choked by all this oil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oxbow Nature Park Reserve, 28th July 2013. Just imagine for a moment, all civilization is left. Nothing left but these. These parks, these reserves, nature. Within a matter of about a year or two, they'll be all the forestation and everything, and the animals will take it back over. And it will all be gone. Just imagine that for a moment. Got some rafters or tubers coming down the Truckee River. Well, anyway, just out in nature, looking around, getting out, getting away from the computer, seeing what nature has, and seeing life for what it is outside of your mainstream state-run media, all of that. Hope you're all having a good Sunday, 28th of July 2013. Tubers coming down to, I mean, it's so shallow that people can just, you know, step out of their tubes, get in the water, and just casually go down the Truckee River. And there they are right there. And there's more up ahead. See them down there twirling around in the water. It's what it is, folks. Casual day out on a Sunday. No rest for the wicked, though. New World Order wants to take over all this stuff and ban you from having fun. Think about that one. Casual Sunday, 28th of July, 2013. Email me, Wayne S. Pierce at USA.com. Wayne S. Pierce at USA.com.